So those who haven't done your KYC on Mintrax Network, this video is about to show you step by step how to complete your KYC on Mintrax Network. You can see they said in my last video where I shared the registration of this project Mintrax Network. This channel know what I'm talking about. So if you're new here also, Mintrax Network is a project, a new project that will be first quarter of 2026 next year. So we should mine. We are mining their on-chain reward, and after on-chain we convert to the MTX. So this is the MTXP. So this is the point, and to convert to here. So this is a native token on-chain. This is on off-chain. So it's simple. So if you want to start, if you're new, the link will be in the description section or the comment section of this video. So after watch that video, come and do your KYC. In this video, I will also show how to add your custom wallet. So the first thing to do is locate to these three points here, tap on it. So we come to KYC section here, so tap on it. So after tap on it, tap on the cross sign here. So you see here is the details. So we are having verified, not submitted. So here, let me fill all my details. After that, we upload all these things. So let me start with my name. After finish, then you tap on submit. You see it have been submitted, right? You can see KYC verification. Complete your identity verification for enhanced security. So verification status, current status of your verification, KYC verification, and KYC under reviewed. Your KYC application is being reviewed. You will be notified once the review is complete. So after complete our KYC, let's go to add our custom wallet. So let's go to our Web3 wallet, whether you want OKS or MetaMask. Any of them you can use. So me, I prefer OKS Web3. So let's go to OKS Web3 and show you how to add your token. So here is the setup wallet, Web3 wallet for Mintrax chain. So open any Web3 wallet. You hear this, open any Web3, example MetaMask. So me, I said I preferred OKS. So after add my OKS, I will show you how to. Maybe you also prefer MetaMask, so I will show you how to do your MetaMask. So let me go to OKS to add to show you how it works. Maybe you also prefer OKS. If you go to OKS Web3, so here you tap on this box here. You tap on, you can see custom network. Tap on it. After tap on it, tap add network. You can see here the network name and your RPC, sorry, an ID and a symbol. So this is how it is. We'll drop it on the comment section or the description section. So you can see here is their name. So let me copy their name. That is a network name. You can see it, and copy the RPC. Copy the RPC. And the ID number. Okay. So you can see after filled all those things required to enter, you can see the ID chain have been appeared. After enter the correct required credential, it will be show like this. So after this, tap on confirm. You can see network added. So here is the network. You can see here is the network. So we have the receive option here. We have the send option also. So it's very important to add it. And after you have add your custom token, if you want to locate you want to see your because if you see if you look at here, you not see any kind of token here. I'm talking about the one we add now. So if you want to locate, tap on the BNB here. You can see a supported network. There is the RPC and the custom network. You should tap on it. You see Mintrax chain. So you can see this the MTX. There is their symbol. If you tap on it, you see the same thing here. And if you want to switch back to your network where you bought your tokens and others, also is the supported network. So you search on the type of network you are holding your token, BNB. You can see this is my BNB. So I'm back. So if you want to receive your token from this wallet we have add, this custom network we have add, we will send their MTX token to here. That's why we add it. That is it. The reason why we added it is to store or to hold the token before the launch. That's how. So after the KYC approve, that is how it is. So the MetaMask also is the same thing as this we did. If you go to MetaMask, so here you tap on the popular network here, tap on it. So you can see custom network. So here you tap on it. So here you can see add custom network. So this is how also it is like the OKS one we did. So enter the name of the token, the RPC, the chain also will appear like how I sent the video during the OKS process, and the block. So the same as after that, tap on confirm. So you can see save, the same as confirm. So after our KYC have been approved, after our KYC approved, we will come to the token swap here and come to enter the amount to swap from the mining token to the native token. So after that, you will come to this here, and you come to the wallet section. So you will see the amount you can send. You can see the recipient address. So you want to see your so here will appear the MTX, because the MTX is the native token, because send and receive MTX token on Mintrax chain. So the wallet we add, the token we add on our MetaMask or OKS, we will copy the address. As I said earlier, we will copy the address. We tap here custom network. So tap on it, and if you want to receive their token, you tap on receive here and copy the address. You can see copied. So after coming here, you see this is my MT, this is the point. So after the point convert, so that after the coin the MT mining token, which is the MTXP, convert to the MTX, we will send this, we will swap it. After swap it, we will transfer by clicking on the wallet section here. Sorry, the wallet section here. We will send our, because send MTX token transfer method. You can see a wallet address, send direct to an MTX wallet, which is the MetaMask we are. So here is the recipient and the amount you enter. After that, review your transfer. So if you tap on the we tap on the token swap here, you can see what they said here. You can see KYC required. Your KYC is verification is pending. You can see KYC required. So native token swap MTXP to MT native token on Mintrax chain. 1%, that's a 1% fee applied. Transaction will be recorded on the on-chain. So this project will list on first quarter of next year, 2026. So guys, if you haven't started, if you're new and you haven't started, check the link in the description section or the comment section of this video. Start to register and follow the same process. So I'll drop that link, that video link to the description section or the comment section. So after registration and watch this and do a KYC, add your custom token. It's simple as ABCD. So I'll not talk much. What do you want me to say? It's simple. subscribe to this channel and join my Telegram channel for further updates. See you guys in my next video.